AI is just a fad. In the last 10 years or so, we've had multiple technologies that have had really exciting applications. People have got really into them. They spend a lot of money investing, and then they haven't turned out to be much of anything at all. So we've had Internet of Things, we've had blockchain, we've had cryptocurrencies, we've had NFTs, we've had the metaverse. We've had all these technologies that purport to be the next big thing. And they're going to change how human society works. But in the end, they kind of peter out. Some people make some money, but nothing really valuable is created from these technologies. So I actually worked for a blockchain company and got into Web3, but left it and moved over to AI and marketing and business in general because I didn't see the intrinsic value in what was being created in that space. AI is different. And here's how I know. So for the first time in all my years working, we're seeing something called shadow IT. So normally when a new software or a new piece of technology is created, it's the leaders of business, the people who are reading, Forbes magazine and the Financial Times. They're the ones who read about this and they're like, oh yeah, we need this. This is going to change and revolutionize how we do work. What the leaders are really thinking is we're going to use this to automate, replace people, cut costs, and I'm going to make more profit. Generally. So the leaders of businesses, they go to the IT department and they say, hey, we need this, this and this. Expensive consultants are brought in, system solutions are created, and then the software or these tools are released to the staff members. Once it gets to the staff members, most staff people are like, do we need another login? Do we need another system? We're already struggling with all these ones here already. Why do we need this as well? And it's up to the leadership, the management and IT to basically force people how to use these systems and make sure they're using them on a day-to-day basis because they've invested so much money into them. AI is different. In AI, we're seeing something called shadow IT. This is where the IT push is being pushed from below rather than from above. So it is normal people, normal employees who want to use these AI tools. They're starting to use things like ChatGPT, and then the up aboves, the higher ups, the leaders, IT departments, they are then left in a position of, oh crap, our teams are using AI. What do we think about that? Is this a risk to the business? How are we going to integrate this? Do we want to block it? Do we want to embrace it? And this is a very different dynamic to what we've seen normally with technologies. We did not see this with blockchain. We did not see this with the metaverse. These were not technologies that excited normal people so much that the normal people were pushing forward the progress. And the reason why normal people like you and me, staff members and people who are doing jobs on a day-to-day basis, the reason why they are excited is because there is value. Using ChatGPT, learning how to use an AI can make your life better and easier. This is not the case when it comes to a cryptocurrency. This is not the case about Internet of Things or NFTs, for example. These tended to be speculative and they didn't have an intrinsic value in the way that AIs like ChatGPT do. And that's why we're seeing a groundswell of popular interest rather than it being forced down our throat by investors or leaders of companies. So this is why I'm very confident that AI is not a fad, because it's being used day to day by actual people to do actual valuable tasks.